Hey everyone, this is Akshay and welcome back to Tech Binders. So today we are having one more wireless earphone unboxing, and this time we are having a cool product from Sony. So here we are holding Sony WI-C310 wireless earphones, and I'm really impressed by their sound quality and performance. So these are the Sony's mid-budget new launch in India. So we are going to do the unboxing and review of this wireless neckband, and let's figure out how good this is and whether it justifies its price point or not. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here is our Sony WI-C310 wireless stereo headset, and the best feature which I like in these earphones is that they have 15 hours of battery life. Wow, that's jaw-dropping. So these are priced at around 3000 rupees, and in that 3000 we are getting a wireless earphone, and that too from Sony with 15 hours of battery backup, Bluetooth version 5.0, which is really amazing. So here are some of its features. So hand-free calling because it has HD microphone, music playback time of up to 15 hours, and hybrid silicone rubber earbuds. The rubber earbuds are really pretty great. So if you have the right size of ear tips or earbuds, they will definitely fit perfectly into ears and will provide a ceiling around the ear to give you better passive noise isolation and better bass. 10 minutes of charging will give around 60 minutes of battery life, which is also really cool. And also they are having the voice assistant function in there, and I really like the USB-C port. So it's very great that they have included the C port. So let's unbox it and let's find more about these wireless stereo earphones. So here it comes, and so this is micro USB C type, not B type for charging. Great. User leaflet which shows how to plug them in and charge. So this one is the Sony warranty and general uses, and this is the specific Sony user manual guide. It shows all the functionality here, how to use your wireless earbuds, how to connect, how to pair them, and that too in detailed description, which is really great. So I haven't seen such a graphical guide in any of the earphone unboxing, so it's really make easy to understand like what you are doing and how to do. So here we are having extra pair of ear tips of different size to fit perfectly into your ears. Keeping everything aside, and let's talk more about these earphones. So first thing first, let's remove this plastic peeling. So the earphone looks pretty lightweight. So I think there are two batteries in these earbuds. I'm not sure, but yeah, this one is definitely a battery pack. So here we are having this volume control, and here you will find a microphone, and to charge this, here is the micro USB C type port. Okay, great. So now let's do the sound test and button test of these earphones, and let's see how good these are. So let's start with the pairing process. So now you need to press and hold the multifunction button or power button for around 7 seconds, and they will power up and they will enter in the pairing mode. So here they are in the pairing mode, and here we will find WI-C310. Yeah, they are really pretty fast. So now they are connected, and it shows around 70% of battery remaining onto these earphones. So let's play some music and let's do the button test. So when we talk about the play and pause functionality, wow, it works great. There's a little bit of delay, but yeah, it's working. That is really fine. And if you want to increase the volume, just press the volume up button, and if you want to decrease the volume, press the volume down button. If you want to go to the next track, just press and hold for 1.5 seconds or at least 2 seconds. There is no way to give it for 1.5 seconds as the manuals say, but yeah, if you press it for 2 seconds, you will find that you will be in the next track. And if you want to go to the previous track, just press and hold the volume down button, and you will find that you are in the previous track. So the controls works really great, and this is the HD microphone. So even for calling also it works great, and you can answer a reject call by using this power button. So that's great. And also these are magnetic, which is really great. So they fix to the magnetic, and they give you around 15 hours of battery backup. So now here we want to talk about the sound quality and comfortability of these wireless earbuds. So when you talk about the comfortability, they fit perfectly into your ear canal thanks to these earbuds. So they make and seal around the ears, and they fit perfectly, which is really great. So this part I didn't like much in these earphones because they hang on to your neck and all. So this part is really weird, but apart from that, it's great. And also when we talk about the sound quality is good. It's not great. I found that the sound quality is little bit low. The vocals are clear, and if you don't have any ceiling into ears, you will find that you are not having any bass. So you should have the right ear tips to enjoy these earphones to the fullest. And when we talk about the bass quality is good. It's not deep bass, and if you move above 80% you will find that the voice start crackling, so they are not usual above 80% volume. And once you are done with the music, you need to put your wires, so these are really magnetic and they get attracted, which is great. But this is a weird position, so they will like dangle on to your neck, and I don't think that this is the perfect neckband. Although you can put inside your shirt or t-shirt and they're not visible, that would be really great rather than putting on to your neck. And also the magnets are not really very strong, so they are not able to hold it for long. And if you are careless like me, surely you're gonna lose it, so you need to keep it in your backpack or pouch. And I really hate that they haven't included any pouch or case or covering to keep these earphones. So when we talk about the weight distribution, all it's great because in both earbuds you are having the equal weight distribution, so that part is great. And also if you want to like do voice call or video call, the mic position is really very close to you and definitely you can enjoy it. What I love most in these earbuds is that they are having 15 hours of battery life. So it's not about 15 hours of playback time, but yeah, definitely they are giving you around 12 to 13 hours, which is also pretty great. And they take around 2 to 2.5 hours to completely charge. And the best feature is that they are having the USB-C port for charging, which is really great. So I can charge everything by using a single cable, so I need not to carry micro USB for my earphones, USB-C for my phone and laptop. That's pretty great. So this is the great implementation. Also there is no IPX rating on these earphones, and I understand why it is not, because for getting an IPX rating you need to spend $100,000, and which is really not worth, because this will increase the price of these earphones, and definitely you don't want to pay more just for getting an IPX rating certificate. Although I think they are sealed and protected, so definitely these are surge resistant, and I don't think these are water resistant. If they would have been, they would have mentioned there. And to get an IPX rating is really very difficult, so that's why they have not mentioned that these are water resistant or having an IPX rating. So definitely useful product from Sony. And if you want a great battery life, USB-C charging, good vocals and earphones from Sony, these are definitely worth. Go and have yourself. The links for these will be in the description from where you can purchase these earphones. So thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. So if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notifications whenever I upload new such videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and catch you in the next video.